failed post-World War II European economy. You believe this? This is a parody, right? No, the guy is dead serious. Every time I say something like this, I look at myself. What medium am I on? Radio. What have I got to do here to remain a factor?
Turn left on Troy Highway.
In the midst of all of this massive technological innovation, today there are more ways that people can reach content that they want than they've ever had. You can try to find it over the air. You can try to find it via podcast. You can try to find it via streaming. And because of this, everybody and their uncle now thinks that they can broadcast over some medium and attract and acquire an audience and become a factor. There are more people than ever before engaging in the overall concept of journalism or media. Some do it in the area of tech, some do it in sports, some do politics, some do just straight news reporting or media, some are in the gaming business, but it's everywhere. Now, why can't these clowns in print journalism find a way to adapt? Why can't they stay relevant? You know what the answer to this is? It's always been content. If these clowns in print journalism cannot make it, it's because people don't want to read or see or watch what they're producing. Pure and simple.
I don't think mine's hurt.
If you have something people want, if you provide something people like and enjoy, they will go wherever they have to get it. These people want to be subsidized because they're lazy, unadaptive, and couldn't care less about their customers. That's one of the most amazing things about print journalism that I've noticed. One of the only businesses where the customer is always wrong and doesn't know diddly squat about what he's talking about when he complains.
In the February issue of A Limbaugh Letter, meet the young, hard-charging conservative who founded the national student organization Turning Point USA.
This guy is going to give you more faith and more hope for the future, not just of conservatism, but therefore of the country. I encourage you to get hold of the interview.
Read Rush's interview with Charlie Kirk in the February Limbaugh Letter, available at rushlimbaugh.com.
You're listening to the EI